Good morning, this is Professor David Walthall, and this is a short video to show students how to prepare and share your analysis for our English exams. The first thing to do is to enter into your Gmail account, either your personal Gmail or your student Gmail, and then go to the top right corner and click on the apps, the Google Apps, then open Drive. In Drive, go to New on the left corner. So New Document. Now give it a title in the top left corner and put your name and the date of your exam. So for example, I'll put sample date here. This is just a sample. Okay, so now I have a blank document. Now I want to go to the link of my article. So here's the article I've chosen. This is from The Guardian in this case. I'm going to copy the address. I'm going to paste into my document. Now I have a link to that article. Now I want to copy the actual text of the article. So I'm going to highlight everything here. All right. Highlight this. You may have to do this in several stages. Okay. You don't need, of course, the photos. You don't need anything of the extra. Just remove all that. Okay. You can also make the text itself be uniform. So let's just have it a nice size 12, for example. Okay. And then again, I'll copy little by little the rest of the text. Okay. All right. So once I have the entire article copied, I'm ready to make a comment on it. And to comment is very simple. I just select with my mouse a piece of the text. And when I do that, the comment box opens up. Okay. And I can say something like race is a term we use both in politics and in sports. All right. Or maybe this is interesting to me. So I can say maybe this is an example of irony. So the writer wants to capture our attention. Okay. So I'll do this throughout the article, indicating different rhetorical devices, different features that I've found. Now let me show you this same article as it was analyzed by our student. And you can see this was a very thorough analysis. So I'll just click through a bit of the different parts here. So a very good example here, very thorough analysis. So this student has identified lots of different language, lots of interesting metaphors, language from sports. So a very good, very well done article here. And this is the kind of thing that I'd like you to do in your exam. I'm just clicking on each of these so that you can see the comments that the student has made. So I'll do just a little bit more here to give you an idea. Okay, so that's an example. Now, when you finish with your analysis, I'll go now back to my own document here. So when you finish with your analysis, the last thing to do is to go up to the top right corner where it says share or condividi. Okay, you click there, and then you're going to share this with me in my university email. All right, there we go. You can keep the edit function, so don't change anything here, and then you simply send or envia. Then I receive a copy, and we can open this document together to look at it during your exam, and that's what we'll talk about. So thank you. I hope this was useful. If you have other questions, you can see more details on my web page. That address is, I'll write that here at the bottom for everybody, www.usdjw.blogspot.com. So you can visit this page for other information. So thank you, and I'll see you in the exam.